Rise up, start fresh. See the bright opportunity in each new day. Every day may be not good, but there's something good every day. I am Vaishali Sati of class 40 here to conduct this beautiful morning assembly with my classmates. A famous quote of Robert swam with the greatest threat to our planet. To believe that someone has been saved with this quote, I want to introduce you to today's assembly topic, which is say no to plastic. As we all know that marks are ending trending to invoke Almighty at the beginning of the day. So for the prayer, here is Mahi Pandey.
Good morning. My name is Mahi Pandey. I am from grade 4th D. Ready for the prayer? Join your hands and close your eyes.
Before start with the excuse, I prayer, pledge is the way to make us away from our duty towards nation. So I request Atulya Bish to lead with the pledge.
Good morning everyone. I am Atulya Bish of grade 4D is here for the pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind! Thank you.
Vision is the mission of the school. So here is Abhi Joshi for the vision.
Good morning, I am Avni Tosi of grade 4D here to vision of the school to inculcate moral ethical values among students along with their academic excellence and all around political development, deep-rooted value system by providing modern and contemporary education to serve for the last cause of society and the nation. Thank you.
Good and inspiring thought can spice our day. It works like a fuel with smiling and encouraging it to inspire us with the thought. Here is Harshit Rekwal. I am Harshit Rekwal of grade 4-3. The thought of the day is if you are fantastic, then do something drastic to cut out the plastic. Its meaning is we should follow some measures to reduce the consumption of plastic. Thank you. Two new words in our vocabulary. Here is Srishti Bora and Arav Pawar.
Good morning everyone, I am Srishti Bora of grade 4D. The first new word is environment. Its meaning is the natural world. And its sentence is we can protect the environment by saying no to plastic. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Arav Pawar of grade 4D. The second new word is pollute. Its meaning is contaminate. And its sentence is plastic bags pollute the environment and cause many health problems. Thank you. Now here comes Tarun Khurbe with a beautiful poem.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tarun Khurbe from 4th D. Today I am here to tell a small poem front of you. Plastic packaging and plastic rings. Plastic bag for more plastic things. Plastic bottle the water we drink. But plastic causes that. So stop and think. After eating plastic things float on by. So say no to plastic. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Here comes Snehal Bisht with a short speech on today's assembly topic, which is say no to plastic.
Good morning everyone. My name is Snehal Bisht. I am from class 4D from Aryan Progressive School. Plastic use is very harmful for our environment. It degrades air, water, soil, etc. and causes pollution. It is a non-biodegradable substance that cannot be decomposed. On one hand, items made from plastic are convenient, while on the other hand, it is harmful to the environment. So, we should avoid using plastic bags, bottles, snacks, straws, etc. and use jute bags, bamboo straws, fabric napkin and handkerchief. The government should also enforce strict laws banning the use of plastic in any shape or size. At last, I would like to conclude my topic by saying that we can reduce plastic pollution by taking these simple steps and keep our planet clean and green. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now here comes our class teacher Garima ma'am to throw some lines on the assembly topic.
A pleasant morning to one and all. I hope you all are fit and fine at your places. As we all know that our today's assembly topic is say no to plastic. Plastic is like a common commodity which is essential in our daily lives. Almost everything is made of plastic, like plastic bags, plastic straws or stirrers, plastic bottles, bottle lid, plastic cutlery, plastic food wrappers, Ziploc baggies, disposable coffee cups, plastic lids, plastic cans, etc. Plastic has become a part of our life, but now it is a threat to our ecosystem as it started affecting the biodiversity of our planet. We all know that plastics are non-biodegradable. That is, it could not be decomposed easily and take hundreds of years to decompose, eventually leaving its trail of toxicity. Plastics degrade our environment in many ways. It gets mixed up in the soil and decrease the fertility of the soil. It is the main cause of water pollution and around 1 lakh animals killed every year by consuming plastic. Food contained in plastic containers is also not good for health. For this, we can say no to plastic. But how? By using alternatives like jute and cotton bags in place of plastic bags. we can also follow the 3 R's, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. The irony is that even after knowing the harmful effects of plastic, we are still using it on regular basis, and we know that it is threat to our living things and environment. So at last, I would like to conclude by saying that this is our country and it is our responsibility to take care of the mess which is a threat to this country. If we prevent the use of plastic in our daily lives like a responsible person, then there will be less junk floating in our country. Thank you.
And motherland are greater than heaven. So to show devotion towards motherland, all of you please ready in attention position for national anthem. For here, Yuvraj Singh.
Good morning everyone. I am Yuvraj Singh of grade 4D. Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya Hai Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dramini Utkal Banga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchal Jaladhi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 Jai Hind.
Thank you for listening us patiently. With this morning assembly is over. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.